Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Part 1 Exterior, Beauty meets Aerodynamics. Let's talk presence. The Chiron Pur Sport is not just a hypercar, it's an aerodynamic weapon. Compared to the standard Chiron, it's lighter, lower, and way more aggressive. Up front, the massive horseshoe grille is flanked by air intakes that scream performance. Out back, a fixed carbon wing replaces the active spoiler, sacrificing top speed for insane downforce. And check out that monster diffuser. It's not just for show. Every inch of this car is designed to cut through air like a knife. Part 2 Sound, the voice of 16 cylinders. Under the hood, or should we say under the carbon skin, is Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16. 1,500 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 2.3 seconds. And the soundtrack? Absolute madness. It's not just noise. It's raw, mechanical symphony. Unlike the standard Chiron, the Pur Sport is tuned for tighter response and quicker gear changes. And yet it screams. Part 3 Interior, luxury meets performance. Step inside, and you're surrounded by a cockpit that blends race-ready focus with Bugatti luxury. There's Alcantara everywhere, chosen for grip over gloss. The seats are supportive, the steering wheel is thick and flat-bottomed, and the digital dash gives you everything from G-forces to tire temps. Everything feels purposeful. No chrome distractions. No gimmicks. Just you, the machine, and the road. Finally, the Chiron Pur Sport isn't just a hypercar, it's Bugatti unleashed. Less luxury yacht, more track assassin. From its insane sound to its focused interior and aggressive design, the Pur Sport is for the driver who demands more and settles for nothing. This is the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Rare, relentless.